beautiful in that vacuum cleaner. Guys, number one, thank you very much for the beers. But number two, why do y'all insist on ringing the doorbell every time you come and go?
Look at Mommy, it's so big now.
You're disturbing my work. Oh, I hope you don't. Just don't drop them beers. This is the anti-force G device, so he don't get in there and go shopping in my ref like he's shopping over there. Yeah, thank y'all very much for the beers, I certainly appreciate it. What'd you get for us, G? You get some chips, buddy? Say good morning to this beautiful lady, folks. Say good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Wow. Hey, no fighting, babies. We'll give that to Mama Tina, sweetie. Thank you. Good outtake for us, G. Poor G, don't get upset now. She's just being a good outtake for you.
Lagyan mo doon, anak. Squid. Liver. Yeah, chicken liver.
Okay, squids and chicken liver. Beans.
Yeah, beans. And egg.
You like that squid?
Huh?
You like the squid? Hmm?
Yeah.
Well, you look beautiful today. You're all dressed up.
I always look beautiful every day. Every night.
Let's see, those are the livers.
Yeah, chicken liver.
Baby, I'm glad y'all got some food, but I will not be joining y'all for breakfast this morning.
I know. We know.
So, Dawn, you like the squid and the chicken livers?
Ate, eat the ano. You like the vegetables. Come on. Talagang bayan ito. Smell.
Ate, Mama.
Kain. Torres.
Honey, are you sure Forrest G is gonna like any of that stuff?
Let's eat, everyone.
Up!
First. You're very working hard.
These ladies are looking beautiful today, my friends. My
Torres
goodness.
na. Ito sa'yo.
It's like a pair of aces.
Like rice
Kunti
with
lang
it.
yung kamarillo.
Ano?
Oh, shit.
Ay, ayaw niya. Ayaw niya.
Sorry, Bobby. Go eat na.
They are eating rice. White rice. Niloloko ako dito pagkain. Rice. Kain ka na din. Nasa na?
It's delicious.
Ate, ito kanin ate.
Okay.
Ito tayo, eh.
How about that?
Ito na.
Enough?
Ah! Ate, tuwa na.
What are you doing, baby?
Ma!
Tingnan ko yun.
Ma! Mami, oh! Ma! Ma! Mami, mami, ate, tito.
Mari, ilagay mo dyan. Ilagay mo dyan. Hindi ko na alam magkano na yun. I'm going to use my... Then, 20.
We got enough to eat tonight? Got enough for
Ayan.
supper?
Ilagay mo, ilagay mo.
You look beautiful this morning, baby. I think those are my favorite shorts.
Ito na